The morning sun streamed through the window of the little farmhouse, painting bright stripes across the floor. Amanda Pig snuffled happily in her bed. It was going to be a fun day. She could just feel it in her wiggly little tail. "Wake up, Amanda," called her Mama Pig from downstairs. "The sun is shining, and breakfast is ready." Amanda hopped out of bed. A fun day, she squealed to her favorite toy, a little fluffy sheep named Woolly. Woolly just stared with his button eyes, but Amanda knew he understood. After a breakfast of warm oatmeal and juicy berries, Amanda looked out the window. "Mama," she asked, her nose twitching, "can I go play outside?" "Of course, dear," said Mama Pig. "But remember to stay close to the farm, and watch out for the extra squishy spots after last night's rain." Mama Pig winked. Amanda giggled. She knew exactly what extra squishy meant. It meant mud puddles. A wobbly walk and a wiggly friend. Amanda trotted out the door, her little hoofs making soft plink-plonk sounds on the wet grass. The air smelled fresh and earthy. She saw a big, beautiful mud puddle sparkling in the sunlight. It looked like a chocolate lake. "Who wants to splash in the mud with me?" Amanda called out loudly. Suddenly, a familiar chirping sound came from the big oak tree. Me," chirped a tiny bluebird, fluttering down to land on a branch nearby. It was Pip, her bluebird friend. Pip loved to watch Amanda play. "Hello, Pip," Amanda squealed. "Are you going to splash?" Pip giggled and shook his head. "Too messy for my feathers, Amanda. But I'll sing you a splashing song." And Pip began to sing a cheerful, trilling melody. Amanda carefully dipped one hoof into the puddle. Squish! Oh, it was perfectly squishy. Then she dipped another. Squish squash! Soon, she was splashing and rolling in the lovely, cool mud. Mud splattered on her nose, on her ears, and even on Woolly, who she'd brought along for the adventure. A shared secret and a sunny snack after a good, long splash, Amanda was gloriously muddy and wonderfully happy. Pip sang a final happy note, then flew off to find some worms. Amanda decided to explore a little deeper into the field, careful to stay where she could still see the farmhouse. She sniffed the air. Sniff, sniff. What was that delicious smell? It smelled sweet and tangy. She followed her nose to a patch of tall grass and found the hidden bush of the juiciest, reddest raspberries she had ever seen. They looked so inviting. Amanda thought about her friend Pip. He loved berries. And her mama always said sharing made things taste even sweeter. "Hello, Amanda." A voice rustled from the tall grass. It was Ferdinand Fox, a shy but very kind fox kid who lived nearby. He had spotted the raspberries too, but was too polite to take any. "Ferdinand." Amanda grinned, her muddy face looking even happier. "Look! Raspberries! Do you want to pick some with me?" Ferdinand's eyes widened with delight. "Oh, yes please, Amanda." So, together, Amanda Pig and Ferdinand Fox picked the sweet, red berries. They ate some, savoring the burst of flavor. And Amanda carefully filled a large leaf with berries to take home to her mama and papa, and even a few extra for Pip if he came back. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.